How to create an account on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Fiverr, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. Once you open the app, you can see the options like Apple, Facebook, and Google. I'll create an account with Apple. Once you verify your Face ID, you need to write down your username and click on sign up. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna create an account on Fiverr. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.